How's it going, guys? Cole Mrozak here, again with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. We are the top solution for all your landscape truck needs. Here we have a brand new 2024 Isuzu NPR HD crew cab. This is a custom build, guys. I'm really excited to show you what we did here for one of our clients. Before we get to the back, we got a remote powered and heated mirrors so you can control them from the inside of the cab, along with a 7-inch display inside that has Apple CarPlay, Android Connect, and a rear backup camera from the inside. Here's where it gets into the custom build. So we have our 16-foot box closed in. Underneath we have the cat cage, as well as 2 underbody equipment fuel stations. So if you guys have never seen these before, we have a 12.4 gallon on the left and a 37.3 gallon on the right. The left is for your premix, and the right is for your gasoline. Mowers, weed eaters, edgers, zero turns, you name it, can be fueled up under there. So less stops at the gas station, more time on the road getting business done. So here are these custom split dovetail ramps we have on the back. Jason, if you'll come here, I want to show them this taper. So we have a 3-foot deep taper. We made it so it wasn't too steep, so you can store coolers, bags of mulch, bags of leaves, you name it right here. Now moving on to the ramps. Safety is our top priority here at IP Truck, guys. So we have 3 latches for security, 1 on each side and then 1 in the middle. Pop these out real quick. These are great, super easy. They're heavy duty springs with heavy duty steel, but the way they're balanced, really easy to lift down. Just put your foot on this step bumper, grab the handle, pull it down. Heading up, we wanted to go with the smoothest incline as possible. So as you're going up with your mowers or your zero turn, nothing's bottoming out as you're hitting where it joins right here or where the taper meets the box. So a lot of thought put into these trucks, guys. So here we got our 16-foot box, as I mentioned before. There are 4 vents located in each corner of the box, which allow the fumes to escape, so nothing's building up and there's no fire hazard. Looking in the box here, you can see we have the 16-inch steel scuff going all the way around. This makes a huge difference, guys, as opposed to the wood scuff and increasing the lifespan of your walls. Speaking of the walls, the way we build our Vanscapers here, guys, is 3/4 inch plywood. So it's already reinforced, it's ready to drill into. We know a lot of you guys like to put shelves, hang your weed eaters, so on and so forth. So these walls are built ready for that. Got 2 interior dome lights as well, roll-up door, already as mentioned. But that's the build, guys. Super excited to show it to you. Again, my name is Cole at Industrial Power. Please reach out. We got all the trucks you need and can build, as you can see, whatever you guys need. So thanks.